Hello and welcome to the course. My name is Pablo Farias Navarro. I'm the founder of ZENVA. Throughout this course, you'll learn the basics of the Angular.js framework, and you'll be able to build a single-page application such as the one I'm showing you, which is an expenses tracker. You can add new entries, enter different values, have some validation going on, and then you can modify some of these. You can modify all of these entries and also remove them. So the main goal of the course is for you to learn the basics of the Angular.js framework so that you can create interactive websites and single-page applications. The requirements for this course: you'll need basic to intermediate web development skills. You have to be familiar with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Ajax. In order for you to run the examples in Angular, if you just double-click on the files and they open in your browser, they might not work. Because of browser security policies, you need to run them from a local or remote web server. So please install something like Apache or any of the many other tools so that you can run the course examples. You'll need a code editor. You can use whichever code editor you're familiar with. You will be using Sublime Text throughout this course. And a web browser. We'll be using Google Chrome. So the course will be structured as follows. We'll begin by covering the basics of the Angular framework, and we'll move on next to the actual project. So let's get started now and talk about some of the basics of the Angular framework.